discussed about fundamental principles. Based on the fundamental principle, finding the multiples of numbers between 40,000 to 50,000 which are divisible by 5. Is it okay? Shall we move
Yes,
on to the
ma'am.
next question? Write the next question, children. Write the next one. How many automobile license plates can be made? How many automobile license plates can be made? How many automobile license plates can be made if each plate contains two different letters followed by three different digits. Followed by three different digits. How many automobile license plates? How many automobile license plates can be made if each plate contains two different letters followed by three different digits. Nowadays in number plate you find 4 digits, isn't it? Now here it's a number plate having 2 alphabets and followed by 3 digits. How many number plates will be available? Can you give the answer? What is the answer? So, okay, 2 alphabets followed by 3 digits. So, what is the answer? Total number of alphabets, how many are there?
26.
How many? 26. And it is given as two different. So, in how many ways we can select the alphabets? So, I am mentioning this as first place, second place, third, fourth and fifth place. And what about the total digits? Total number of digits. Total digits is 10, isn't it?
10. Yes.
Now tell me, in how many ways you can fill the first place? First 2 places we are using alphabets. Okay, and the next 3 places we are using the numerical digits, numbers. So the first place we can fill it in how many ways?
26.
26 alphabets, 26 ways. Second place we can fill it in
25.
25 because we wanted different alphabets. Then third place, Shivani, can you give the answer? Third place can be filled in. Shivani is there? Okay. In third place, in how many ways we can fill? Third place can be filled in. Krishna Chandran.
10 ways.
10 ways. Very good. It is in 10 ways because here we don't want a 3-digit number or 2-digit number. We want some numbers, some digits to be printed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
If
Yes.
0 comes, no problem.
No problem. Here we are not getting, we are not specifying that it is a 3-digit number. It is 2-digit number. What is it given? You want a 5-digit code. First two will be alphabets, the next three will be some digits. So we can use 0 also there. What about the next one? 4th place and 5th place. Is it clear, Achut?
Yes, ma'am.
So now read 4th place and 5th place can be filled in.
9 ways and 8 ways.
Very good. It is 9 ways and 8 ways. The total number ways. Total is 26 into 25 into 10 into 9 into 8. Compute this one and give the answer.
Four lakh 68,000.
4 lakh
68,000.
68,000. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it necessary to calculate?
Yes. Yes. Okay. You have to calculate. You can't leave like this. If you leave like this, half a marks, that computation half a marks will be losing. And for your entrance exam, if you are planning for entrance exam, like this only 4 options will be given. So make it practice to do the multiplication. Are you getting the answer, children? Shubham? Shubham, are you getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, your activity, is it ready? Lab activity. Can you show it now? Can you show it? Ashwin, Achud, Rijas, switch on your video. Anila. Shubham, is it with you? Lab activity are you having with you now?
Not now, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written but not file it.
File it. You do one thing. You take the photo and send it to my personal WhatsApp number after the class. Is it clear? All
Okay,
the
ma'am.
all the activities page by page. All the activities I want. Okay, up to 10 activities. Today
Okay,
itself,
ma'am.
take the photo and send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Write the next one. Write the next one. Given 5 flags of different colors. Given 5 flags of different colors. Given 5 flags of different colors. How many different signals? How many different signals can be generated? How many different signals can be generated
Once more.
given 5 flags of different colors? Given 5 flags of different colors, how many signals can be generated? By hoisting the flags if each signal requires, if each signal requires the use of, if each signal requires the use of first one 2 flags, first one 2 flags, second one at least 2 flags, first one 2 flags, second one at least 2 flags. Now if you read the question, Gauri, read the question, Gauri.
Given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated by hoisting the flags if each signal requires the use of first one 2 flags, second one at least 2 flags?
Okay. So what is given here? We are given with 5 flags of different colors. Okay. We are going to produce some signals. We are going to give some signals. And for the signals, what is given? We should use at least, first one it is 2 flags we have to use. Okay. It is given. We are going to use 2 flags at a time. Okay. And using these 2 flags, how many signals you can generate? Okay, suppose I am creating a signal like this. In the first flag, I am using the red color. Second one is yellow. So suppose 5 different colors are given. So you are hoisting one flag, below that another flag. So you are using 2 different colors. And you are given with 5 flags. So how many signals you can create using 2 flags? How many signals you can create? So, using 2 flags, how many signals you can create? Karthik?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Isn't it? The first one you can fill it with 5 colors. The second flag we can use it in 4 ways. So 5 into 4, it is 20 ways. Now what is the second one asked? Each signal should use at least 2 flags. What does it mean? At least 2 flags. That means
2 and more.
2 and more. Okay, minimum is 2. If I use 3 color flag also it is allowed. If I use 4 color flag also it is allowed. If I use 5 color flag also it is allowed. Is it clear? At least 2 means 2 or more. It should be 2 or more. So it may be a 2 color flag. It may be a 2 color signal, 3 color signal, or 4 color signal, or 5. So we have to find it separately. So I am going to find out how many 2 color flags can be used, or how many 2 color signals can be generated. How many 2 color signals can be generated? Because we are using the different signals. So how many 2 color signals can be generated? So that is same as the first one, 5 into 4, which is 20, isn't it? Now, how many 3 color signals can be generated? Using the 3 colors, how many signals can be generated? Atul?
60.
60. Are you getting 60?
5 into 4 into 3.
Okay, good. Then see. How many 4 color signals? How many 4 color signals? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is same as Gayatri.
120.
120. And 5 color signals. And using 5 colors, the number of signals can be made as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is same as 120. So what will be the total number? So it is the total to add all those things. 120 plus 120 plus 60 plus 20. All these are possible. Okay, this
20.
first one is possible, or second one, third one, fourth one. All the cases, either the first one or second one. Okay, keep it in mind whenever we use the word or, we use add. And this one and the other one means we multiply. So either the first one may happen or second one or third one. So 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. What is the answer, Nandana?
320.
Just 320. It is 320. Okay, the previous question, is it clear, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna Chandran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move on to the next question. So the next one, how many odd numbers, less than 1000? How many odd numbers less than 1000 can be formed? Using the digits how many odd numbers less than 1000 can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 7 and 8 if repetition is allowed? How many odd numbers less than 1000? How many odd numbers less than 1000 can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 7 and 8 if repetition of the digits is allowed? What will be the answer? Tell me, children, how you will solve this. You want odd numbers, isn't it? You want some odd numbers less than 1000. How will you find? Nia, Ashwin, Naurin, Rijas, Achyut, switch on your video. Ashwin, Shubham. Ashwin. Tell me, children, how will you find? You are going to solve it. Give me the steps. How you will do? You want
Ones
some?
place should be 1, 5 or 7.
Ones place maybe 1, 5 or 7. Okay, correct. Then what else?
As it is less than 1000, it's a 3-digit number.
So less than 3000 means, is it? Think it again. Is it a 3-digit number?
3, 2 or 1 digit.
Very good. It may be a 3-digit number, or it may be a 1-digit number, or it may be a 2-digit number. Is it clear? Okay. It may be a 3-digit number, or 2-digit number, or 1-digit number. So you start with first one. How many one-digit numbers are there? How many one-digit odd numbers are there? Then find out how many two-digit odd numbers are there. Then how many three-digit odd numbers are there? Like the previous one. Previous one we did for signals. Here it is with numbers. And then you add all these things. You will get all the odd numbers less than 1,000 formed by this one. Start doing. Find out how many odd numbers are available using these digits. One digit. You write the heading. One digit odd number. Find out how many odd digits. One digit odd numbers are there. Just how many one digit odd numbers are there using the digits. Digits are already given. Gayatri, is it ready, Gayatri? Aparna is there? Aparna? Okay, Gayatri, give the answer. And Aparna, you have to say whether the answer is correct or not. Okay? Gayatri, give the answer. One digit odd number.
3 numbers.
3 numbers. Is it correct, Aparna?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. What about the others? Is it correct? Naureen? One digit odd numbers. She gave the answer is 3. Is it correct? Gayatri, what you gave is correct. Okay, give the answer. Which are the numbers you will get? It's correct. Give the numbers, Gayatri. One digit. Which are the numbers you will get?
3. One digit 3 numbers.
Which are the
And
numbers?
1, 5, and 7.
Okay, using 1, 5, 7. Only 3 numbers you will get. So one digit number is 3. So number of one digit odd numbers is 3. Is it clear, Annette? Is it okay? Now do the second one. 2 digit odd numbers. How many 2 digit odd numbers are there? And it is given repetition is allowed. It is given, isn't it? Repetition, is it allowed? Yes. Repetition is allowed. What is the answer, Achyut? And Karthik, you check the answer. Achyut's answer. If it is wrong, you have to give the explanation. Achyut?
15, ma'am.
15. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Yes. How we are getting 15, Achyut?
Ones place 3 digits.
Okay. 3 ways.
3 ways.
Hmm.
Then tens place only 5 because we can't take 0.
Very good. We can't take 0 because we want a 2 digit number. So if you take 0 in the first place, it will become a 1 digit number. So only 5 ways you can fill. So the total number of 2 digit odd numbers is 5 into 3, which is 15. Okay, now find out the 3 digit odd numbers. How many 3 digit odd numbers are there? How many 3 digit odd numbers are there? Okay. Tomlin, give the answer, Tomlin. John?
90.
90 ways. Is it correct, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So what is the total number of, what is the total? 1 digit we calculated, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers. So what is the total number?
108.
108. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? This principle, okay, with this period we are completing this one, principle of counting. Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
One more question I will give. Write down this question. Out of 11 cricket players in a team, how many players will be there in cricket?
11.
11. So out of 11 cricket players, one is to be selected as captain and another as vice captain. One is to be selected as captain and another as vice captain. How many choices are there? How many choices are there? What is the answer? Dia. Give the answer, Dia. Out of 11 players, we need one captain and one vice captain. In how many ways we can select it? How many ways? How many choices are there? For selecting the captain, suppose I am going to select the captain. So how many options are available there?
11.
11. Okay, so once we select one captain, we'll not be selecting the same person as vice captain. We'll be selecting another person, isn't it? For selecting the vice captain, how many options are available?
10.
10. So what is the answer? What's the final answer?
110.
110. Is it clear, Dia? Is it okay? Okay, the next one is again an important question in the sense for the entrance exams and competitive exams, you will get this type of questions. Right on. Find the total number of ways. Find the total number of ways of answering 6 MCQs. Find the total number of ways of answering 6 MCQs where each question have 4 choices. Where each question have 4 choices. Each question is having 4 choices. Find the total number of ways of answering 6 MCQs where each question is having 4 choices. What will be the answer? How many questions are there?
4.
Huh?
6.
6 questions are there and each question is having 4
4.
options, isn't it? So what is the total number of answerings you may get? If you take the first question you can answer it in how many ways?
4.
4 ways, isn't it? If you take the first question, someone may select the option A, other one B, the C, D. So you can answer the first question in 4 ways. Now take the second question. In how many ways you can answer the second question?
4.
4 ways. Third question? 4 ways. So each question we can answer it in 4 ways. So what is the total?
24.
You are linking, but there is small mistake. Okay, that is, check it. That small correction is needed there. Okay, total 6 questions are there, isn't it? First question we can answer it in 4 ways. Second question we can answer it in 4 ways. Third question in 4 ways. Fourth question in 4 ways. Fifth question in 4 ways. Sixth question in 4 ways. So what is the answer? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, that is same as 4 raised to 6. Is it clear? Is it 4? We are multiplying 6 ways. 4 into 4 we are multiplying 6 times. So it is 4 raised to 6 ways. Okay, we can answer it. First question we can answer in 4 ways. Likewise, second question in 4 ways. Third question in 4 ways. So what is the total number? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. We are multiplying it 6 times. So answer is 4 raised to 6. Okay. Okay, you said you did 4 into 6. That's not mistake. 4 into 6 only you are getting 24. Here it is not into 6. 4 raised to 6. Okay, any doubt in this topic, children?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? Actually, this is used